Be happy. Look at that tongue. Kendall's being happy.
Is she happy?
See, happy.
Erin, be very soft.
Your hands are dirty. Look at that big stick you've got. Can you put the big stick in the...
Erin is now putting some wood on the fire. Well, no, he's not. There's the fire.
Aaron has
Putting it on the
gathered
wood
all
pile.
of that. He's gathered all of that stack himself.
By himself. It's a pretty big stack for Erin. But we're up here in the mountains. This is kind of hard to... What should I do? Gain up? Or
It'll still work. I don't think
backlight?
you need to. If you're gonna pan, don't hit gain up.
I had backlight on. But I can't see it. We're just up in the mountains. That was a terrible pan I just did. But Rick, why don't you tell us how we got up here?
Well, we took about a 20-mile, very rough dirt road with huge potholes, and we almost didn't make it. There's actually, it's what, 2nd of June today?
Today, yeah.
And there's actually still snow covering half the road we went on, or at least half of part of the road that we had to pass. The road was halfway covered with snow. And we stopped, we were up in the mountains and we ate dinner, and we had a wonderful liver and onions, and we're just enjoying the peace and serenity of the evening.
Well, great.
With our little family.
Let's take a look at what we've got here.
Is that Aaron's stick? Let's knock this off of it, okay?
Okay.
There. Now that won't trouble you anymore.
Okay.
Is that better?
Fire?
No, don't put it in the fire. Kendall. Hey. Who's that, Kendall? Is that Mommy?
I'm doing stills. It's really funny. She doesn't even move. Hi, Erin. Can you look at Mommy?
Okay.
Can you wave?
Good boy.
Good boy. Do a dance.
Dance with your stick. Can you sing the stick song? Stick, stick, stick. Stick, stick, stick.
Look at Mommy.
Aaron, can you
Aaron,
sing
look
the
at
stick
Mommy.
song? Yeah.
Okay, look at me, Rick. Okay, make a face. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. That's good.
Okay, another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. And one
That
more.
one.
Okay.
That's pretty funny, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, warm our hands. You know what's funny? That's what would be good when you're doing like a model pose. You get that many stills, boom, boom, when they film for.
Mm-hmm. Give me your best posture. There she
I've
is.
eaten too much. We had liver and onions for dinner.
There's our fire, which needs help.
Is that a
Look at
hint?
Aaron. Aaron's warming his hands.
Good boy, Aaron.
Can you look at me, Aaron, and smile?
Fire.
Can you look at Daddy?
Look at Daddy.
Smile.
Smile. Make a face.
Good boy.
Make a face. At Daddy. Looks like it's snowing. Oh, whoops, that didn't help, did it? I'm not the Boy Scout in this family, Rick is. I got as far as brownies though.
It's almost another 15 to 20 minutes. It'll be time to get out the light.
Our lantern?
Yeah.
Did you bring it?
Yeah.
Good deal. Okay. Should we put more on, do you think?
Okay.